Hi ladies, Scrubby Girls here. So this is just a quick scrapbooking haul video for you. I bought this really pretty shabby chic style tin and store stuff in. I got these little, sorry, the glare, 1 second. Fairy stickers, these guys. Those of you that live in Australia, head to your local Riot Art and Craft store, as they now sell this washi tape, which was $2.99 each. I got this little 10 by 13 blackboard, which I got back at Ultra. This lace, this white arm, really nice purple. Some Mercy foiled calendar doily things. These two little guys. Some long bling. This is a Mercy paper stack. You get this from BW. Really cute, so I thought I could make some cards. This one, they don't actually have names. I'm liking that one. And this one. And then this one. Cupcakes, little fairies. How cute are these little dudes? And then that one. For those of you that also live in Brisbane, we now have Daiso. Yes ladies, we have Daiso in Brisbane. It's in the Maya Centre, which is in Queen Street Mall, so I went there. Everything's $2.80. So I got these really pretty hooks. Double-sided tape. They're called fashion paper, but I thought it would be really cute to use. Got it in the bigger style. I got some doilies. Small double-sided tape. This one. And I got these crystal magnets. This is a purple. I don't know if you can see it. I thought I could use them on many of them. I got pink in the bigger and the smaller. And the white. Lincraft has this scrapper's tape in polka dot one. I don't do Project Life, I've never tried it, but I've seen people using these, so this is the baby edition. So it's the bigger cards and the little cards. Maybe I should try it just to see if I like it or not. I got Prima Lyric wooden buttons. I've seen lots of ladies using these ones on their layers and I thought they were really cute. Sesame Street Abby Kadabi, but I want an Elmo. I cannot find Elmo, so maybe I need to look it up. Expressa foam mounting tape. Expressa double-sided tape. These were $4.50 each. And they're from my local Photo Continental. Stickers. This is Hooray. And this really pretty purple. And this really cool blue glittery one. this. Bella. Oh, there we go, Bella. So I'll swap it over this one. So I got some paper, Echo Park Bundle of Joy, but I could use that maybe. Primo Lyric, the Graphic 45 Secret Garden, the Little Bo Peep sticker sheet. Which of those I just lost all that. Crepe paper. These two are Little Bo Peep collection. Webster's Pages in Love, I think it is. This one. Crepe paper again. Crepe paper. This is the Bella Baby Girl mini theme paper. I thought it was really cute. I'm loving these. More. Bella paper anniversary. This one has the borders on the outside, which is cute. This is Ruby Rocket. And then the Kaiser Craft Bundle of Joy collection. I just restocked on that because I'm working on a mini album right now. So that's it for now. I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, I think it's 5 layouts to show you in the next video. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.